Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. My name is Paul and today we're doing a core workout. However, it's going to be a little bit different today. We're not going to be doing the standard crunches on leg raises or bicycle kicks or anything like that. We're going to be working on deep core muscles, meaning muscles that support your body are not necessarily visible. So we have 3 different exercises today. While there are many exercises, I chose 3 for today's workout. If you guys like this type of workouts, I can pick 3 different exercises for the next workout. So they're all gonna be unilateral exercises, so just 1 dumbbell. I chose a 30-pound dumbbell. I'm gonna try to challenge myself. I expect the same from you. I'm gonna go from between 8 to 12 repetitions per exercise. Remember, nice and controlled movements always work on that stability. That's kind of what we're working on, all the stabilizing muscles. So I've said enough. Let's not waste any more time. As always, the previews are gonna be up on the screen. No other clock. Follow along with me. Let's have some fun, and I'll see you guys in about 5 seconds. All right, welcome back. We're gonna start off with a side rotation, a wood chop, but not what we're used to. We're moving nice and quick. Today we're gonna be deliberate and slow. This is a 30-pound dumbbell. This is gonna be difficult for me. And the previous, once again, up on the screen. I want a full rotating motions. Ready? We're gonna go for 10 repetitions on either side. Ready? 3, 2, 1, follow along with me. Full rotation and up. Full rotation. And that's 2. 3. Control that weight at all times. 4. 5. 6. 4 more. 1. 2. Keep it up. 2 more. 1. And 2. Full rotation back. Same thing on the other side. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Halfway there. Keep it up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. We got this. 1 and 2. And now we can put the weight down. We're gonna do 2 sets. So this was set number 1. We'll take a 15, 20 second, 30 second break. Go for set number 2. Come on, you gotta tell me if you used a heavy enough weight and you controlled that weight throughout the movement. I know I felt my core. Hope you felt your core. That's exactly what we're shooting for. Shooting for those core muscles, like I said, that we don't often use and are always overlooked. So some of the other exercises you can do for this: squats, deadlifts, any kind of bracing exercise. They also work the stabilizing core muscles that stabilize your spine. All right, that was set number 1. Like I said, we got 2 sets of each exercise. Let's go for set number 2. Same thing, I'm gonna go shoot for 10 repetitions. Follow along with me. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, and twist back, and then up, and control that weight. Back, up. No momentum. That's 5. Halfway there, keep it up. 1, 2, keep it up. 3, 4, 1 more. And 5. Take a 2-second breather, and we're gonna switch sides. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go back, and come on up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Control that negative. 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 more, and 10. Perfect. Let's relax a little bit. I need it. Yeah, the obliques are definitely feeling it. Right here, that's where I got my stress from. All right, 1 exercise down, 2 to go. Suitcase scary. So I'm gonna step back all the way back here. You guys still should be able to see me. I'm gonna take 10 steps forward, just a little bit. Carry the weight on one side. Gonna walk back and do the other side. High knees on this. I want you to stabilize that core. Don't just try to walk like this. When that leg is up in the air, I want you to stabilize. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, then just moving forward just a little bit. 3, 4, upright. Stand up straight. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm gonna walk back and switch arms. Same thing, 10 steps. You guys ready to go? Let's go. 1, 2, stand up straight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's set number 1. We're gonna do one more. 30 pounds is a little bit light, honestly, for this exercise. I could probably use my power block dumbbells and get something heavier, but for the purpose of this video, I'll keep it at 30 pounds. So if you guys have something heavier, maybe you can grab, I don't know, 2 dumbbells will be kind of difficult to hold in one hand. But if you do have a heavier dumbbell, if you're not challenged by a 30-pound dumbbell, definitely grab something heavier. All right, set number 1 done. Going for set number 2, same thing. Remember, nice and slow. Little tiny baby steps with high knees. Ready to go in 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And walk it back. Switch hands. Ready? 10 steps. 1, 2, try not to sway. I'm trying my hardest. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hold that balance. And 10. Beautiful. All right. 2 down, 1 to go. We got this now. Let's relax a little bit. Now we're going to do a kneeling single arm shoulder press. All right. So once again, as you press that weight up, you don't want to be doing this. You just want to stabilize, brace that core, and press the weight all the way up. I'm going to continue with the 30. Now, being that this is a shoulder press, it's going to be fairly difficult for me to press because 30 is heavy when I do overhead presses. So kneel down, find a nice stable position. You're going to grab that weight, and we're just going to go press it up and put it down. Your hand could be in neutral position, it doesn't matter. I'm going to keep it in neutral. Up, down. Do not support yourself here. Don't do actually what I'm doing right now. Let that arm hang, and all the bracing should come from the core. Weight up. Let's go for 8 reps. So you guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1. Nice and easy in control. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Halfway there. 5. No other movement besides that shoulder. 6. That arm, I should say. 7. 8. Even when it gets heavy, just like that one did. Struggle a little bit on that one. See if my left arm can do it. Here we go. My workouts are your workouts, I always say, so let's do it together. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep it up. Halfway there. 5, 6. 2 more. 7, 8. There we go. Weight down nice and easy, and we stand up. Because as we know, we always stand up between exercises. All right, it's like 20, 30 seconds. Back to the side we started with. Last set, guys. That's gonna be it for the workout. Nice and easy, but you know what? Even though I didn't do all those crunches and all those leg raises, I do feel it in my core, and that's exactly what we were shooting for. The other exercises are fun, and I love doing them. I like doing crunches and all the other stuff. You find these workouts on this channel. I find it fun. I love working on the core. But this is also very functional and very important, and it should not be skipped. This will help you with everyday movements in your life, have a nice and stable and supportive core. All right, 2 more sets of 8, 1 per arm. You guys ready to go? Weight up, and let's go. 3, 2, 1, and go. 1. Find that balance. There you go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Especially when it gets heavy like it is now. 8, all the way up and control on the way down. Switch sides. Last set, guys, we got this now. Ready? 3, 2, 1, weight up. Find balance, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more. And 8. Woo. Well, that's it. That does it for today's core workout. I hope you guys had a good time. Hope you learned something along the way. Like I said, this is a very important workout. These are very important muscles that we should not overlook. Thank you for joining me today for After 50. My name is Paul. I bring these workouts to you every Monday and every Thursday for over 5 years right now. So I hope you guys come back for more workouts from home, just like this one. Thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you guys during your next workout.